Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 1055. The number 1055 is made up of the qualities and energies of the number 1, the number 0, and the number 5 twice. Number 1 has vibrations of creation, starting something new, inner strength and tenacity, positivity, achievement, and success. Number 1 tells us that our thoughts, beliefs, and actions make our lives what they are. It also tells us to keep moving forward with courage. The number 0 is a message about developing one's spiritual side. It is thought to represent the start of a spiritual journey and the unknowns that may come with it. It also says that you should listen to your intuition and higher self, because that's where the answers are. The number 0 makes the energy of the number or numbers it is with stronger. Number 0 resonates with the influences of the God force and universal energies. It also resonates with the vibrations of eternity and infinity, oneness and wholeness, continuing cycles and flow, and the beginning point. When the number 5 shows up twice, its energies are amplified. These energies are connected to making big changes in your life, being spontaneous, learning from your mistakes, making important decisions, personal freedom, good luck, and being true to yourself. Number 1055 encourages you to live your life and do your soul's work in the way that your intuition and inner knowing tell you to. Angel number 1055 means that now is a good time for a new project, venture, or direction. Once you have made your final choice or decision, don't let anyone stop you or slow you down in any way. Only you know what your heart and soul really want. Listen to your gut, and keep an open mind and an optimistic outlook as you look for new directions and opportunities. Angel number 1055 says that you deserve to have some good things happen in your life. Be brave enough to be yourself and live your dreams and goals. Angel number 1055 is a message to take charge of your life, do things your own way, and make positive changes that will help you and those around you. Even though you may be afraid of what you don't know, your angels want you to trust that these changes will be good for you in the long run. When you have good expectations, good things happen. Stay positive and hopeful about the changes that are coming, and you'll find that everything will go well. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.